Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to learn about English and Thok Nath basic phrase. I prepare 10 phrases, and I hope that this lesson can help you. Number one, can you go? With question mark. Can you go? Jinderwa. Jinderwa. This is a fat dog. Nama a jog madit. Ke nama a jog madok. Is the sun big? Kashang did it. Kashang did it. No, stop that. Shejan, Palija. Did you like him? Kajin Nokija. I can see the red heart. Han shakumin lwal nen. Kien gwejakumin lwal. Han chakum in lwal nen. My mom had a box. Mar take a sanduk. Box lone sanduk. Kien dormala ngwag lat jida. You can say my mom had a box. Mar take a sanduk. She is a teacher. Jen ngich. Let me remind you here. She shall singular pronouns. Let the guasame in place of a noun. Okay? She, it, he, like she raja ka queen nyal. Misha she is a teacher right now ko nyal ma jen engich. Me he be yika would me it barai ka mish rach. She is a teacher jen engi ke nyamo jen engich. Ke shega mo jen engich. Na me ko diaku ka kapka kon kone kon anware. She raja ka queen nyal raja ka kwichek. No. Number 9. Whoa. It is beautiful. Whoa. Eme gwalong. Na mishere ka bil gesha ka Thok Nath la menchale bil gesha. Can I go with you? Can I go with you? Han shadewa kel kaji. Han shandewa kel kaji. Ke han dewa kel kaji ko question mark. Han dewa kel kaji. Amichi tuka na me ka shagwa kulojo kunyok kwenyok again. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye bye.